Imagine a bustling city intersection where a skilled traffic officer orchestrates the smooth flow of vehicles. Each car stops, moves, or turns based on precise signals, ensuring order amidst the chaos. Now, replace that intersection with the intricate circuitry of a computer and the traffic officer with its control unit. This conductor of the digital symphony ensures that data, instructions, and signals move seamlessly, avoiding any collisions that could disrupt the system. But how does it all come together? The heart of computation, arithmetic logic unit. At the core of the computer's brain lies the arithmetic logic unit, a powerhouse of computation. Think of the ALU as a master mathematician and a logician rolled into one. It performs swift calculations, like adding two numbers or comparing values, and decides outcomes based on logic. But it doesn't work alone. It partners with the control unit to deliver precise results. In modern computers, the ALU and control unit join forces in a single entity, the CPU, Central Processing Unit. However, to truly understand their roles, let's explore the ALU piece by piece. Components of ALU. Registers. Imagine a chef in a kitchen with a handful of small, accessible shelves for key ingredients. These are the registers. Tiny, lightning fast storage spaces, holding data for calculations. Unlike memory, registers are not labeled with complex numeric addresses but with friendly names like A, B, or R0. Their efficiency is unparalleled, but their numbers are limited, much like a chef's limited counter space. Interconnections and circuitry. Just as veins and nerves connect different parts of the body, buses link the registers and ALU circuitry, carrying electrical signals with incredible precision. These pathways form the backbone of the ALU data path, a well-coordinated highway where data zips around for processing. Next, we can move to the working of ALU. Picture a student solving a complex equation like a by b into c minus d into a by b into c minus d into a by b into c minus d. First, they tackle the division, jotting down the result for later use. Similarly, the ALU uses registers to temporarily hold results, avoiding the slow memory retrieval processes. These registers labeled left and right fetch operands from buses, perform operations, and store results back in a destination register. This efficiency comes with a catch, the destructive store principle, meaning previous data in the destination register is overwritten. Next, we can move to the bus system. Imagine a city's intricate network of roads, ensuring smooth transit between neighborhoods. Similarly, buses transfer electrical signals between registers and the ALU. This non-destructive fetch mechanism allows data to stay intact while being copied to the ALU for processing. A CPU with more ALU registers feels like a city with more shortcuts, reducing reliance on slower, distant memory. The control unit, our maestro, Returning to our traffic officer analogy, the control unit ensures that the ALU, memory, and input-output devices operate in harmony. Like signaling cars at an intersection, the control unit decides which operation happens when, ensuring no one crashes. To understand its role, consider a restaurant. Fetch, order. The customer, CPU, selects a dish akin to fetching an instruction from memory. Decode, prepare. The chef, control unit, reads the order, gathering ingredients and planning steps, just like decoding an instruction. Execute, serve. The waiter delivers the prepared meal, mirroring how the CPU executes an operation. The fetch, decode, execute cycle is the control unit's lifeline, repeating tirelessly until the program concludes with a halt or quit command. Without the ALU's raw computational power or the control unit's flawless coordination, a computer would be chaotic mess, like a city without traffic rules or a kitchen without a chef. Together, they embody the essence of computation, turning abstract instructions into tangible results. So, the next time you marvel at the speed of your device, remember this hidden ballet of logic, precision, and orchestration. The ALU and control unit working in perfect unison to bring your commands to life.